fish to impress. Taste this one and you'll be caught, hook, line and sinker. Fish Romesco, an impressive dish cooked on my Weber Q, but can just as easily be cooked in the kitchen. So, over to the kitchen. First, to make the Romesco, you're going to need 100 grams of cherry tomatoes, a large jar of red peppers, 5 grams of fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon of crushed chilies, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika and 2 cloves of garlic, 30 ml of lemon juice, 100 grams of toasted almonds, and finally 70 ml of extra virgin olive oil. If you've got one of these, the next bit's easy. Just put everything in. That's the tomatoes, parsley, peppers, garlic, paprika, chilies, almonds, loads of them, olive oil, last but not least, lemon juice. Lid on and whiz it all together. Guess what? I forgot the seasoning. A few grinds of black pepper and another whiz. And that's how I make Romesco sauce. It's a lovely day out here. The Weber Q's nice and hot, so let's get cooking. I have to say, this sauce has been in the fridge while I was setting up, and it's thickened up a bit. I'm sure that's all about to change as it heats up. I have this nice piece of hake which I'm patting dry. Hake is a firm fish which lends itself to cooking by this method. Put the lid on the pan and give it a couple of minutes. Now I'm adding a few raw prawns which I've thawed from the freezer. They will cook in seconds. I'm snipping some herbs which I'll be using later. Just spoon some of that lovely sauce over the hake and turn the prawns. They're opaque, so they're done. I'll pop the lid back on while I get my barbecue gloves on. It's off the grill and now to plate up. First, that lovely piece of fish. It's such a shame you can't smell this. These prawns look absolutely delicious. I'm just arranging 3, always an odd number. To go with the fish, riced cauliflower. 2 minutes in the microwave and it's ready. Now, for a professional presentation, I'm pressing the cauliflower rice into a ring. Remove the ring and it usually falls apart. Not bad. To finish off, spoon on more sauce. It's a bit fiery, so I don't want to overpower the flavour of the fish. Although I've never been one You could say I'm being a bit chefy with the garnish. A sprig of parsley and a few chives. And there it is, my fish romesco with cauliflower rice. You like the video? Then give us a thumbs up. You want to know more? Then ask me in the comments box below. Click that button and sub the channel. Activate and ding the bell, and then you'll be in the know. And now, without more ado, I don't know where he is, it's tasting time. The fish is meaty, the prawns are juicy, the sauce is fiery. Well, what more can I say? Well, that's all for this time. Join me next time on the barbecue walk of flame and see what's cooking on my Weber Q. So from me, the old geezer at the grill, it's goodbye, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.